Okay, so Marco and I did a jump, and I broke the chain. I think it's because I've already been tearing this thing up, but it had 2 links in it instead of just 1. And it was right after a huge jump, so I'm gonna get new chain and put it on, and then I think we just broke a link. I'm pretty sure the I don't even know what to call it, the clip that holds the chain together just came out, and then it had no choice but to fall apart. Alright, so we have the chain back on, and it's in line. There's a little bit of play. I might have to move my motor mount, but now is not the time for that. We're going to jump it again. The chain is back on, so we're going to try jumping it again. Here we go. So what do you think of it? Well, that's it for today because we have practice, but we'll be back some other time. Peace out.